Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Are you looking for a nice dash cam for your vehicle? If you are, then we might be able to help you. In this video, we will talk about Rove R2 4K dash cam and Vantrue N43 channel 4K dash cam. Let's first begin with Rove R2 dash cam. This camera is quite amazing because it features 4K ultra recording in HD. Videos with a resolution of 2160p can be recorded using this dash camera. You will notice a significant difference in clarity and quality between the Ultra HD video recording quality compared to other dash cams. Their super night vision technology makes it possible to record in low light with substantially better video and photos. It also has a built-in Wi-Fi. Your speed and location while driving are properly recorded by the built-in GPS. Using their car DV player or the app, you can view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps while connected to Wi-Fi. They also offer free firmware updates for this dash cam. This dash cam is also equipped with a f1.8 aperture, parking mode, motion detection, a 150 degrees a plus wide angle lens, a G sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow motion video, and support for up to 512 GB class 10 to U3 speed micro SD cards. A memory card is not included, so be aware of that. Using their Rove Ultimate micro SD cards is advised though. Overall, it's a dash camera of excellent quality, so you should absolutely take it into consideration. Next is Vantrue N43 channel 4K dash cam. This is a triple channel dash cam that has 155 degrees front, 165 degrees inside camera, and 160 degrees rear cameras. It can continuously watch the front, rear, and inside of your car. This protects you from potential accidents and liability issues. This dash cam provides a 4K 2160p front camera and a 1080p back camera when set to front and rear dual recording mode. With a 20-foot extension cord, the rear cam is readily 360 degrees adjustable. The front camera can record in 4K smoothly, making it possible to capture road signs and license plates in crystal clear detail. It also has a 24-hour parking mode. The camera is excellent in locations with extremely cold or hot climates because it is powered by a supercapacitor made to withstand extreme temperatures. It also features G-sensor that auto-detects sudden collision. That's it. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.